It's your girl, your big sis, Auntie Bianca, aka Fringe Girl. This is the second to the last video. Here I am hemming the bottom of the dresses, as you can see. Yep, this is the second to the last, if I'm not mistaken. And I still have more footage I have not released. So when I finish the next one, which is just me adding extra buttons, after that, which would be, I'm probably going to post it today, but whether, depending on the upload speed, it may upload Friday, because I've been uploading videos. It takes about 24 hours. I mean, these videos are 18 to 20 minutes long, 30 minutes long. So either it's my connection or my modem. I pay an arm and a leg for this service, so I know it's something I don't understand. And I'm telling you this because I would post more often if they would only upload more faster. I've had videos just stop loading, so I have to sit down and watch and keep coming back and checking to see if the video is still uploading. And things happen. So, yes, this one right here, and then the next one is me just adding extra buttons on a piece of scrap fabric. I put them in the top pocket. I put 2 buttons. Usually when you buy better tailored, better made clothes, they give you 1 button. And I'm not bragging. I just put 2 buttons in because I can do that right now. There may be a time when I can only put 1 button. 1 extra button, rather. And that video is 6 minutes and some seconds. So after that, I'm going to start posting the white flocked jersey dress with the green tartan pockets, and then start working on either the jersey camo designs or I'm trying to remember the name because I'm so scatterbrained, but it's like, just hold on, I'm gonna get it. Fuck that. I'll be right back. They're bifurcated. I am looking in my 5th edition pattern making for fashion design by Helen Joseph Armstrong. In one of my earliest videos, I showed this book. It says in the right-hand corner, a red triangle. Circulation of this edition outside the Indian subcontinent is unauthorized. I bought this on Amazon. It's one of the better ones from, according to one of my instructors. It isn't hard copy. It's paperback, but it's better and it's smaller. So, anyways, I'm reading from that book, manual textbook, and I'm looking for bifurcated. Oh, there it is. I'm looking at copying, knocking off design, because I'm going to knock off some stuff as well. But right now, let me put that back. I want pants. There we are. So, the pants I want to, here we are. So there's a culotte, which is like a bell-bottom kind of thing. But it's just wide, it's just, it goes like in a an oblong triangle. That's the mistake I'm fixing. I didn't like it, so I took it apart. Again, showing you everything, for the most part, my mistakes and my corrections. Then there's a trouser. You see the culotte hangs away from the abdomen and buttocks. So it's like an oblong triangle. Almost a diamond, but since it's pants, it fits the waist and the hips, and then it just spreads out into a bell shape. Then there's the trouser, hangs straight from the abdomen and buttocks, just hangs straight down. Then there is the slack, cups slightly under abdomen and buttocks, even more straight. Then there the jeans, contours abdomen and buttocks. Well, we've all seen jeans now, and they have elastic in them, so you guys know what I'm talking about, right? Actually, this isn't what I was looking for. In my other edition, the hardback US version, it has like all the different names, and this one only had those, which I didn't think that was going to be the case. I don't want to get up again. Oh, that's the front. Knockoffs. I went back too far. Pants. Up, there we are. In the front, though, it doesn't say what all those, because there's capris and things like that. Shorts, hot shorts. And that's what the US version says. It has all that in it, but this one only has those 4. I wonder if I just haven't gone far enough. The culotte, the trouser, the slack, the jean, completing the pant pattern, pant designs, I may have to. I don't want to, but I may have to, because I want to get the name right. Dungarees. This looks like these are for children. Hip-hop pants, high-waisted pants. Okay, so they're just spreading them out because I recognize these. The hip-hop, there's a hip-hop draft, believe it or not. Dungarees. So let me go back. So this is my next journey. I'm thinking I'm going to do this. Design analysis. Pull-on pants with self-casing. Now the top of the garments will be pull-on with the top with self-casing. I was thinking about zippers and snaps, then belts, and I was like, you know what? Put some elastic in there. There is the jean variation again. I wasn't prepared for this. Here we are. Here it is. Pant derivatives. So, there's short pants. Well, there's hip. And then there's short pants. Then there's shorts. Let's see. Short pants cover the butt down to the crotch. Those are short shorts, where almost your burning bush is showing. Maybe one day in the future, but not right now. I'm not there. Like the old bathing suits of old, where they would have those. They would go up to the waist, and then they would just, form fitting. I'm not into that right now. That's not my goal. Then there are shorts that just come just below. They hit at the thigh, I guess. Just below the crotch, hits the thigh. Then there's a pant called the Jamaica. Oh, here we go. Short shorts. 1.5 inches below the crotch of the inseam, and 1 to 1.5 inches above the crotch at the side seam. Shorts 2 inches below the crotch level. Jamaica halfway between the crotch and the knee. Bermuda halfway between Jamaica and the knee. Pedal pusher 2 inches down from the knee. Toreador, halfway between the knee and the ankle. Capri, 1 inch above the ankle. So this is what is in the Helen Joseph Armstrong manual. And it's the same. This is the 5th edition, but this is the Indian edition, and it's paperback. I have the 5th edition hardback, and it's the same. So, and I'm telling you this because someone had told me, because everyone knows everything, they're all experts. I'm not claiming to be an expert. I want to sell some clothes. But depending on what I put out there, someone's going to argue with me, and someone did. And they were saying that the capris and the toreadors and the pedal pushers and the Bermudas, I mean, people have their own definitions, and so you can get into an argument with someone. Well, when I make these clothes, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, I looked in the book, okay? And that's what the book called it. So if you don't like it, you can piss off. And it's not to be mean. I don't have time to go back and forth with someone over some darn clothes and what their definition of. If you believe that it's this, then fine. But I don't want to tell someone what they know is incorrect. If you think a pedal pusher is longer or shorter, that's fine. I'm using the definition from the book, and so that's what I'm going to be using, because I know that people will try to start a fight or an argument just to win some kind of imaginary moral victory, and I don't have time for that. There was another image I was looking for that was in the other one. I want to see if I can find that one. I don't know if I can. Shorts, pedal pushers, design variations, jumpsuit foundations. I got another one of my janky beats coming up in about 5, 4, 3, 2. So, actually, I shouldn't have sat here. I should have gotten up and gotten that other book. That's what I should have done. And to be honest, it was right there in front of me. My place is so cluttered. Ugh. So what pages were those? Coming up on the end, so I gotta move real quick. I need you guys to pay attention. Pants. Slip this back in there. This is page 662. So they're kind of almost in the same area. So I got the Helen Joseph Armstrong 5th edition hardback, hard copy. So I'm going to go all the way to 400, 490, 500. There we are. So here we are in the hardback copy. The baggy pant, the pleated trouser, the culotte with the wide sweeping hemline, the tiered culotte, the gaucho pant, pant designs. Oh, come on. Okay, pants. So there we go. And the one that I had been thinking of for the longest time was, oh, okay, that's just the 4 there. Okay. Then there's the culotte draft, the trouser draft, the slack jeans, and completing how to true the pattern, which I really need. Seam allowance. Where's that pant that I was looking for? Those are culottes. That pleated trouser looks hella, and it's just dressing, drawings. Here we are, the baggy pant. It has a gathered ankle. I like that. That's where I want to be in that arena right there. There's jeans, the gathered ankle. These are knickers. They go just below the knee. And then there are pleated cow pants. Then they do the same thing. They have all the sizes. Am I going to get to this or not? I didn't see it, or I did see it, I just didn't recognize it. I want the ankles to be gathered, like a cuff, like a wrist cuff, but at the bottom are the ankles, and I'm going to put buttons in there. I was going to put a tie string, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to put buttons down there, and I'm going to gather the ends to hug around the ankle. Because I have a knit fabric that stretches 4-way. It's really cool. So that's what I'm going to do next. I'm either going to use the knit fabric, or I'm going to use that jersey. And they more than likely won't be dresses. There's a slight chance they will be dresses, more bodycon dresses, because it is just me and I can't do like 9 different things at once. So, but I want to make the pants so I can wear them, and you guys can see me wearing my own designs. That's one of my desires, one of my goals. So thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. I will see you guys in the next video. If you want to purchase, hit me in the DMs. Again, I have a Shopify. It's on my YouTube. It's in my YouTube description. It's also on my Instagram and my TikTok. Or you can just hit me a DM and I can send you the information. You know, we can do it that way. Just holla at a girl. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video.